What's going on, guys? Another great morning. Day trading the small account. I called TOPS as a total crap company going lower, and look at it now, down there to 46%. People were arguing me, saying they were bullish on it, but hey, when these things run up big, they're gonna crash. So stay tuned, see how I traded all these different stocks this morning, and see how I made almost $1,000 in profit. So stay tuned. So I ended up trading ONCS this morning pre-market. I thought I was going to be early to the party. I wanted to go short here. It wasn't breaking over this high there at 225 area. It was looking like I had a lot of selling pressure, but you can see the trend was holding. The trend was holding, so that should have been a very key indicator that, hey, Patrick, it's not time to short this thing yet. But you can see, ended up going short there and got covered, had to get a little squeeze. But really should have been focused on going long here. Ended up going long, got 3,000 shares, sold into this pop up here. Had 700 shares left. I was hoping to get one more pop higher, 250 area, but you can see the trend broke down there. I got out there at 229. So ONCS, not a bad morning so far. You can see I'm up $288, down $170 there on ONCS right now. And looking to go short here at open. We'll see what happens. Going short here on MBI. Looking for this break back down to the 920 area. Getting short there at 947. Look for this move lower here. Down to the 920s would be nice. There it is. Come on, 920s. Give me a crack here. Give me a crack. Let's go, 920s. So MBI up there to that 965 high of day. Holding this still. Looking for that break of 920 here. So looking for MBI to crash here. There it is. Down there to 922, 925 again. It wants to do it right here. Here it is. There it is. Down there to 919, taking profit there at 919, just like I wanted from that 950 area down back there to 920. So I'll take profit there. Quick 500 bucks. I guess it's probably going to move back down to that $9 area, but I'm going to lock it in there and be happy with that. Looking for this crack below $9 here on MBI. See if we can get a little quick drop here. So looking for this break below $9 here on MBI. Looking for this down there to 870 area. Be nice. We'll see if we get it here. 897, looking for this move lower here. Let me get it. 998, sitting there. Come on, let's crack it. 998. If we get this break, watching level 2 here. Looking for this move lower here on MBI. I want that $9 area to turn into resistance here. There's that 997, 998 again. Come on. Head on lower. That $9 big seller sitting there trying to crash this down there. So we're trying to get that $9 area to hold as resistance. Looking like it wants to sell down. Heading lower now. Looking for this move below 890. See if I can get filled here at 896. Getting filled there at 896. Now it's going to drop. But hey, I was $200 profit there. That's going to put me up beautiful green on the day now. There it is. Back. Oh, now it's crashing. Story of my life today. Story of my life. Can't call it. Just can't do it today. Can't do it. So there it is. Obviously, it's hard because, like I said, there it is, down there at 875 now. This thing's really spready and kind of gappy. Not a good price action on it. But you can see overall it's trending lower right now. Down there to 875. Coming back up here. Look at that. Pop right back up there to 905. So I took profit at a good time. I'm happy with that. You can see it got down there to kind of where my goal was there at the 880 area. But now it's popping back up there. So I'm happy I took profit when I did. Because this could have probably squeezed on me and I would have gotten out for a loss there. I probably would have cut my loss right now. Look at it, popping back up there. MBI, just something about it was telling me that there was just a lot of support going down. Just didn't want to really crack. It wasn't just selling off. It wasn't just crashing. And that's what I was hoping for. And you can see jumping back up there to 925 here. So I would have probably gotten stopped out there, covered my loss. I'm happy that I covered when I did. Sometimes it's just better to lock in those small profits, take some small wins, and walk away green. And I'm done. So pretty easy morning trading MBI. We talked about this one in the live stream. We talked about ONCS and a couple other stocks, but I really talked about MBI being a good short there. You can see right there at open, same thing, crashed down. It squeezed back up there, but that 965 area, just keeping it down and not letting it go any higher. So MBI, good short for me today. I'm happy with that. You can see kind of just these resistance. The tops of these candles, a lot of selling. That's a very clear indicator. There's a lot of selling there, and that's what we got there. So we got that selling. The selling crash, 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 crash. That's 920 area crash. We were looking at that 920 area. Boom. Down there to 880. Beautiful short this morning on MBI. Taking a look here at SPI. It's halted right now at the 170 area. Looking to get in here above the $2 area for a quick pop. Get that quick pop over $2. We'll see if we can get it here. So we'll see what happens here out of the halt. Expecting this thing to keep on exploding once this is reopened here. So there it is, reopening now, all the way up there to 195. Jumping in there right now at 195. See if we can get this break over $2. There it is. 205, taking profit there. Beautiful trade here on SPI. That's what it's all about right there. Getting filled here on the way up. Boom, 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 boom. Getting filled. Getting that quick pop over $2. Beautiful trade here. SPI up there to 205. Look at it. Just getting crazy here. Ding, 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 ding. Crazy. Opening up out of the halt here. Getting the volume. Look at this volume spike here. So once this opened up 170 area, it just started going squeezing, squeezing, squeezing. That $2 resistance was there. Basically looking with that power to jump in there at that $2 area for that move higher. There it is, up there to 210, 215 now. Still going. Woo! 211 now. So you can see my profit there on SPI making $292 in a matter of seconds. I think that was literally seconds. So making almost $300 in 6 seconds there. Very volatile, very crazy stock. But you can see this thing's up to 230 now, just going higher and higher. Wow. You can see how extended it was getting in there on the 1 minute chart. I didn't want to hold this thing as it crashed back down. But there it is, up there to 230 now. Beautiful. Up there to 250 now. Oh my gosh. We got a runner. We got a runner. It's up almost 100% on the day right now. So SPI, crazy move. This is what I was worried about right here, this drop. Look at that move from 260 back down there to 225. You don't want to get stuck in this drop here. So SPI up there to 260, pulling back down there to 210 now. You got to be quick to take profit on these. You never know when it's going to drop. And look at that drop there from the 260 area down there to 210. That's the kind of drop that blows up your account right there if you got a large size. So you got to be careful, take profit quick, and that's what I did. Probably could have gave it a little bit more time. It would have been nice to get filled up here, the 220, 260 areas, but hey, beggar. But hey, you got to take profit when you got it. Like I said, you can't be greedy here. SPI pulling it back down there to that $2 area now. So nice little pop, and then the drop. So it is what it is. It's past 10 o'clock. I've got things I got to do in the real world. I've made over $1,000 a day. I'm happy with that. So I'm going to be done. I will talk to you guys later on.